It's going to be a busy day for Motown, given that two leading two-wheeler players will be handing in their Q1 report card today. It's Eicher Motors on our radar as well as Hero Motocorp. Both likely to be a weak set if you compare it on a YOY basis or even sequentially for that matter, given how abnormal the circumstances have been in the quarter gone by. But given the fact that rural recovery started kicking in quite rapidly and quite sharply in the second half of the first quarter, it's likely to have augured well for a company like Hero Motocorp, which has a very strong presence because of their very solid pipeline in the entry-level segment. So their recovery seems to have been a tad better than many of its peers. For Hero Motocorp, we're looking at a revenue figure of 2,800 crores. Profits are seen at 85 crores. In fact, Hero Motocorp is one of the handful of OEMs which is likely to deliver a positive PAT figure. EBITDA is seen at 120 crores. We're looking at a margin figure of 4.3%. It's not a bad deal given, like I said, that most of the OEMs and many other players from the automotive segment have slipped into losses and even EBITDA losses, delivering negative margins performance. If you compare it with that, Hero is likely to have or is likely to do better. Margins, mostly, we are expecting some pressure on the operating deleverage front despite the company taking up cost-saving measures. And of course, lower scale is also something that could hurt the margins performance along with weak volumes, of course, for the quarter gone by. As far as Eicher Motors is concerned, well, like I said, again, it's likely to be a weak set for this one as well because of sharp volume decline, not only in Royal Enfield, but even the CV business continues to reel under pressure. We're expecting sales at 800 crores. Loss is seen, a mild figure of 10 crores, but still a negative PAT. EBITDA is seen at 50 crores and the margins are expected to come in at 6.3%, largely because of lower scale, and of course we're expecting realizations to show some improvement because of a benign mix and BS6-led price hikes. 650 twins seem to have done well for the company, so let's see what the commentary on that will be and what will be the contribution of that for offsetting their pain. So guidance on the demand outlook for new launches, levers to improve margins, utilization level, production performance, supply related issues. These are some points we'll be watching out for as far as commentary is concerned from Eicher Motors and even Hero Motocorp. A similar sort of outlook will be expected. Channel inventory levels, some word on the rural market, what is the sentiment there and whether or not this uptick and buoyancy is likely to continue in months and quarters to come as well. So these are some important factors we'll be watching out for both Hero Motocorp and